Hi, this is Diane Lovetobake. I'm back again. Well, I'm sorry, but my camera, we had some difficulties, so there's going to be a part one of gingerbread muffins and a part two, which I'm working on right now, showing you the finished product. So if I repeat myself a little bit to take you back from part one, I do apologize, but I believe I was actually filling my paper liners for the muffins, and I did tell you to fill about 3/4 and up with the liner if you want them to be larger in size, which I get about 10 muffins. Otherwise, if you fill them normally, you can get 12 of these gingerbread muffins. I also believe I mentioned to tell you that the batter will seem very thin, but that doesn't mean that you've done something wrong or the quality of this gingerbread muffin won't be there, because they come out extremely moist, very delicate, and great tasting. I do want to tell you though, you're going to put them in a preheated oven of 350, and they can take you anywhere from 25 to 30 minutes depending on your oven. And as we know, all of them set up so differently. So I do start checking mine, well, about 20 minutes or so, 21 minutes, and check them. And as always, just put a toothpick or a cake tester in to see it comes out dry, because you don't want to over bake muffins, because you want to keep that moisture in them. I do have some to show you once they do bake up. And these again are the ones that I talked about, how I filled them about 3/4. If you do fill them less, they're going to come out a lot smaller, actually this size. Okay, I wanted to be able to show you the difference in the size. Okay, but let's break one open here, take away the paper. And you'll see, I don't know, and I hope you can see how moist and how light and delicate these gingerbread muffins are. They really just melt in your mouth. You can put a sugar glaze over them. You can just eat them the way that I have them without any type of glaze or topping. They're great with a cup of tea, cup of coffee, that kind of thing. And again, I don't know if you can see as I'm pushing down on the muffin how moist it is, and so delicate and so light. They're not heavy or dense. They just are a great tasting little muffin. So there you have it, an easy, quick gingerbread muffin. Relatively very quick to make, and I hope you try this recipe. If you do and you like it, leave a comment, because I always like to hear from you. And as always, I want to thank you for watching Diane Lovetobake. You'll find my videos solely on YouTube, and if you're so inclined, I'd really appreciate you to subscribe to my channel, or even just give me a like. I'd really appreciate it. So thanks again. I'll see you soon.